Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling the right F key mode so the keys do what you expect. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard and toggle, use F1, F2, etc. Keys as standard function keys. If your apps need raw F key input, this gives consistent behavior. Once done, check the touch bar model. Some Macs require holding Fn to get F keys. Make sure to note which apps require Fn versus media controls, because that determines whether you remap or use modifier keys next. Now you'll customize F key functionality for your workflow. Use the Shortcuts app to assign F keys to system actions or scriptable app commands. That covers many needs without extra tools. For complex conditional mappings, like app-specific or FN layer rules, install carabiner elements and create device-level profiles. Once configured, test each F key inside the app where you'll use it, because macOS sometimes prioritizes media functions. After tests pass, export your mappings so you can restore them quickly on another Mac or after updates. Finish by applying and locking your changes. Enable profiles in carabiner or save shortcuts, then restart so macOS loads the new behavior. If F keys still trigger media functions, make sure no app shortcuts conflict and verify touch bar or keyboard firmware settings. Sometimes an app grabs key events. If things remain broken, try resetting pram/smc or temporarily disabling third-party utilities to isolate the issue. One troubleshooting tip: boot in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.